Welcome to Werks. Today I will be printing an SD card extension for the Creality CR-10. I have found it difficult to insert or remove the SD card into the control box. This will also help with wear and tear on the SD card reader in the control box and place that wear and tear on a disposable SD card reader extension, which would reduce the need and expense to replace the card reader in the future. The file I'll use is a CR-10 SD card adapter holder and is on Thingiverse, developed by Riot 3D. Here's a view of the model on the bed in the Cura. Here's the setting I used to print Cura. Here's the Cura information on the time and materials. I did use PLA for the print material. Here's the view of the print from the beginning to end, speeded up. The SD cable extension is a Lamu Micro SD to SD card male to female extension cable adapter, flexible extender from Amazon that cost about $7 in early 2021. And I've placed a link in the notes for the extension and the SD model that I used in this print. The file printed really good with no issues or modifications needed. I used Cura to slice the model. I have used the SD card holder for a few months with no issues. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out other videos that I have produced. Please like, subscribe, and comment.